Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nambardar TV.
In the heart of a bustling city, people move in all directions, each lost in their own world. Meet Ali, a successful businessman who has everything he needs, but feels empty inside. Ali, to himself, what's the point of all this? I have money, status, but no one to share it with.
What's wrong, son?
Ali shares his troubles and Baba listens attentively.
You've lost touch with your humanity. You need to feel for others, help those in need.
Ali is skeptical, but decides to take Baba's advice. Ali starts volunteering at a local soup kitchen and meets people from all walks of life.
He hears their stories, struggles, and triumphs.
Ali becomes more empathetic and starts to see the world differently.
He begins to help those around him, even at work.
Ali's colleagues and friends notice the change in him and start to follow his example.
The ripple effect of kindness and compassion had begun.
Ali is back on the bench, but this time with a smile, surrounded by new friends from the soup kitchen.
Your heart is now filled with humanity. Keep it that way.
The heart of humanity is what makes us truly alive.